Hello everybody, today I'm going to try something a little bit different for this channel. I'm going to edit some photos, which sounds par for the course, but I'm going to do it in silence. I'm going to zip it for the entire video because, as you'll know if you've watched many of my videos, I don't shut up usually. And even if I'm supposed to be talking about editing photos, I'll end up talking about cheese, or parking fines, or Nutella. So yeah, I'm going to stick some house music on and enjoy editing some photos. Now sometimes I do like to edit with a beer, but it's 11 AM on a Wednesday, so I shan't be drinking beer. I'll have a cup of tea instead. And yeah, if you don't like house music, you can just stick it on mute and put your own music on. But yeah, if you do like the music you hear, then it's Epidemic Sound that I've used, link in the description. Also, just quickly, I'd like to do this in future with your photos, and I'll figure out a way to do that. Again, I'll put the details for that in the description. Right, some music to make us feel hopefully like we're on a yacht party in Monaco. In fact, I'd hate to be on a yacht party in Monaco. Someone asked me the other day what my least favourite place I've ever been to is, and I said Monaco. If you've never been, I mean, I had high hopes because I'd watched the Grand Prix. I thought it was going to be amazing. I got there. Monaco is basically like a car park for money. It's just full of rich people that have nothing to do other than go to the bank, is what I found. Rubbish place. Anyway, I've digressed already. Time to stop talking. Edit.
Sunshine, why you playing? Spotlight from my heart. Sunshine, why you playing? Spotlight from my heart. Sunshine, why you playing? I can change. Spotlight from my heart. Sunshine, why you playing? Just hope it makes no sense. Spotlight from my heart. Sunshine, why you playing? Just hope it makes no sense. Spotlight from my heart. Sunshine, why you playing? I can change. Spotlight from my heart.
Wake up. Wake up. Did that put you to sleep? Probably wasn't the right music to put you to sleep, to be honest. Maybe I'll play some lullabies or something next time. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope it was interesting and or useful. And yeah, as I said, I'd like to do it with your photos in future. So check out the description for how I think I'm going to go about that. I should have thought about that before, to be honest, but c'est la vie. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like those photos, then do check out the 2019 book that I made as well. And aside from that, I'll see you next week.